student formula team of Kolkata. It is completely a student form organization which was formed back in 2016 by a group of highly passionate and energetic engineers of Kolkata. We have participated in suprasae 2018, which is Formula 1 design competition in which students from different colleges and universities from all over the country compete amongst each other, and it also inculcates management and teamwork, which is essential part for real world.
This year we are participating in FFS India 2019. It is a student Formula 1 car designing competition which is to be held at Coimbatore in the month of September. This time we are building a student Formula 1 car which is much more lighter, faster, stable and safer as compared to our previous design. We have reached a stage where we have completed the manufacturing of our chassis and the designing of our assembled view of our student Formula 1 car. We need your support for raising the fund of rupees 1.5 lakh in 45 days. Your contributions will be added in the manufacturing and transportation sector. The links are provided in the description. Please do like and share our video. We really need your support so that you can make this practical education successful. Thank you.